Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about my new smart lock. That's the Victure smart lock, model number DL50. So here's the box that it comes in. You can see it's empty right now. This is a template and some 3M that's still sitting there. So over here is the actual smart lock. Over here is the digital keypad. And over here are the instructions. And this is the welcome card and some accessories. So let me just show you how this works. So this mounts to the outside of a door, and when this turns, by putting in the code or attaching it in the app, etc., it'll just turn the lock handle. So it comes with a few different accessories here depending on how your knob is, depending on the shape of your current lock. To access that, this handle just pops right off. And then you could pop these out. It comes with one that's called A, B, and then C. This one has to be screwed in place, because this one tightens to like a small ball type of lock. And once you pop it in, so for me I needed a longer one, so I did B. So that just went in over here. You pop it in. Then you can see this one just clips in over there. Then this will clip onto the lock and turn. Over here is the mounting bracket. You see it's got double-sided mounting tape, and you could also use the included screws, or just any screws to mount it to your door if you want it to be strong and make sure it doesn't pop off or something in the future. This part is a digital keypad. It's nice because it's not part of the lock, so this could go anywhere you want. So you can mount it to the side, as long as it's within a couple feet of the door, and you can just type in the code, and you can do it. So you can put it low down if you have kids, or you can put it higher up, whatever's most convenient for you. I'm just going to show you the instructions, the user manual, for a second, so you can see really what's involved. It's really, honestly, pretty simple. It just involves a couple pieces of hardware. You don't really have to take apart your old lock. Your old lock just sits right where it is. And then you just mount this on top and set it up in the app. So I'm going to go show you how it looks on a lock, and then afterwards I'm going to install it on my phone and everything and show you how that works. So over here you can see how I'm just holding it in place because I didn't want to mount it yet, so I can show you how everything works. But right over here, you can see how the plastic bracket that I chose, it goes right over that lock piece. So when you turn this, or when the motor turns this, it'll lock or unlock the door. And that's basically how it works. So your regular door is right here. Here's your handle. And this is just going to sit directly on top. So it's like use double-sided mounting tape, but if you want to make sure that, just from the vibrations or everything doesn't get loose over time, I would recommend using screws once you see that you're happy with it. So over here, you can see this, it's got a bracket to slide, and then you slide this off and you put in 4 AA screws, 4 AA batteries, and then in the keypad you're going to need an additional 2 batteries. So thanks for watching my video. I'm going to go set it up, and I'll show you how to do the rest.